This is my old spear that was in my get home kit, and it's obviously geared toward fishing. It's more of a little frog gig, collapsible, real long, and the idea there was that I might be able to gig something from the boat. Now I'm replacing it with a new spear, but it's got a totally different purpose. This is my walking stick that I had built for the Appalachian Trail. I carried it on the Appalachian Trail, and it's actually inexpensive walking sticks that I have riveted together to make them solid. They no longer, slide in height. And what I want to do is I want to make it where I can attach this bad boy. Now, obviously, because I'm not going on a waterborne route anymore for my get home, and it's going to be a land route, this isn't for gigging fish. This is my dog sticker. My big concern, other than humans in my get home trek, will probably be dogs. Sure, there's lots of bears, but unless you're a garbage can, they really are not interested in you. I'm more interested in dogs. So I want to have a way that if SHTFs, is that how you say that? If SHTFs, then yeah, that's how you say it. Then I want to be able to take this innocent walking stick, whap, put this thing on, and I got me a walking stick dog poker. So let's see if I can do that. I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to take, I had rigged this up. It's kind of cool actually. I had rigged it so that I could put my little camera on the end there and use it kind of as a unipod, mopod, one pod, whatever you call that. But what I'm going to do now is take this paracord off so that I can use that hole. I might have to drill it out some as the attachment point that'll hold this bad boy on. Well, that works. So I've got a kind of a cutter set up, and then I got a little nut and bolt backup that I can put on when I decide I need to go into dog sticking mode. Alright, so we've got the paracord back on. I've got a nut and bolt there just kind of as a placeholder. The nut and bolt and the cotter attachment will stay with the actual head. Matter of fact, I've put an extra in there. And what I'm going to do here is use these giant wire nuts to cover the prongs, and then I'll just throw some tape on them and just carry it like that in the pack. So now I need to throw a little bit of paint on this, and we're going to call this good. So there you have it. There's my walking stick / dog sticker, and I think that this will be a good way to go. And you may ask, well, why don't you just go ahead and put it together right now? Well, because every now and then you get inspected when you are on base. And when they inspect my vehicle and look at this stuff and look at me funny, which they're going to do anyway, I want to be as innocent looking as possible. Not having this on the stick makes me look a lot more innocent. Other than the dog sticker, the only other weapons that I'll have will be this knockoff cold steel kukri and this folding knife. And that's it.